Ano ba ang intermittent fasting? Ang intermittent fasting is simply a pattern of eating kung saan ina-alternate mo ang periods of eating and periods of fasting. Hindi ito diet, this is an eating schedule. Isa sa mga common methods nito ay ang 16-8 method, kung saan ikaw ay magfa-fasting o wala kang kakainin for 16 hours at ikaw ay may 8-hour window to eat. Halimbawa, kung ang huling kain mo ay 7 ng gabi, ang susunod mong meal is at 11 a.m. the next day. At during the fasting period, you're only allowed to have 5 calories from the beverages that you drink. Maaari kang uminom ng tubig, isang tasa ng black coffee, walang asukal ha, or isang tasa ng tsaa. Iba't iba ang mga paraan to do intermittent fasting. May 5-2 method, kung saan you eat normally for 5 days and restrict your calories for 2 days. Meron ding alternate day fasting, where you fast every other day. Iba't iba ang mga options depende sa iyong lifestyle. Ano-ano ba ang maaaring benefits ng intermittent fasting? Unang-una, makakatulong ito to manage your weight. Nakakabawas ito ng timbang. It can also increase your energy because your body has a chance to reset and focus on using energy reserves. Pangatlo, it can improve focus and clarity. Makakatulong din ito for cell repair and longevity. At ito rin ay maaring makatulong for better metabolism. Safe ba ang intermittent fasting? Yes, it is, but not for everyone. Ang mga pregnant, breastfeeding moms, may history of eating disorders, or may certain medical conditions should consult the doctor first. Tandaan na importante ang may personalized plan depending on your health needs. Remember that there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Kung ikaw ay may health concerns, siguraduhin kumonsulta sa inyong doktor para sa karampatang medical advice. Mag-ingat po kayo parati. I'm Dr. Lian. Follow for more health tips.